Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Mother's Day and I would like to wish happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. Just know that you're doing a great job, and for everyone else, I hope you're having a great day. I'll be sharing some deals in this video because I can't make it to store today, but I do not want to leave you guys hanging. So I'll be uploading my usual haul on Monday, so make sure you check it out. The first deal will be on the spend 20 get $5 back, limit of 1, and I'll be keeping this deal very simple. I'll pick up the Bounce Dryer Sheets 120 counts on sale for $6.99 and the Tide Pod on sale for $12.99. You can pick up the detergent if you want that. And these two items will bring it up to $19.98, which is within the 98% rule. And I'll use this $1 coupon I got from P&G website and a $3 digital coupon for the Tide Pod. It will bring it down to $15.98 and I'll get $5 back, making both items $10.98 or $5.44 each. If you have a next purchase CRT, this will be a good deal to add it to. The next deal will be on the spend 20 get $8 back, and Neutrogena Sun Care is part of it. I'll pick up two of the ones priced at $11.99 and both of them will come up to $23.98. I'll be using this 6 off of 2 coupon I got from coupons.com and it will bring it down to $17.98 and I'll get $8 back. Then I'll submit my receipt to activate reward. There is a spend 20 get $5 back or spend 30 get $10 back. But since this is just $23.98, that will be $5 back, making both items $4.98 or $2.49 each. There is a 6 off 2 digital coupon also. In case you don't have the paper coupon, you can use that as well. And another way to do this deal, that way you can get to 30 and get $10 back from Activate Reward, is by picking up the Aveeno Facial Cleanser priced at $8.29. I have a $2 coupon for the Aveeno Facial Cleanser I got from coupons.com. It's no longer available and it expired on the 13th. That will also apply to this if your store accepts expired coupon. And with these 3 items, it will come up to $32.27. And after the $6 and the $2 come off, it will bring it down to $24.27. I will pay them, then I'll get $8 back. It will bring it down to $16.27. Because I reached $30, I will now submit my receipt to Activate Reward to get $10 back, making all 3 items $6.27 or $2.09 each. The next day will be on the buy 2 get $5 back on Axe body spray or deodorant, or you can pick up the body wash. I'll pick up 2 and 2 of them will come up to $14.98. There is a $2 coupon from 57 Save Insert. Those are the $2. I'll be using 2 of them and it will bring it down to $10.98. Then I'll get $5 back. I will submit my receipt to Ibotta to get $2 back on each one of them, making both items $1.98 or 99 cents each. Another way to do this deal is by picking up 2 of the shower gels priced at $6.49 and 2 of them will come up to $12.98. Using the same paper coupon I just showed you with the body spray, it will bring it down to $8.98 and I will get $5 back, making both items $3.98 or $1.99 each. The next deal will be all digital and it will also be a money maker. CoverGirl is on the deal of buy 2, you get $6 back. I'll pick up the Perfect Blend at $4.99 and the mascara at $6.79. Both of them will come up to $11.78. Using the $3 digital coupon for the eye and also $4 digital coupon for the mascara, it will bring it down to $4.78. Then I'll get $6 back, making both items free and a $1.22 money maker. The next deal will be on Revlon Cosmetics. It's on the deal of buy 3 get $8 back. Picking up 3 of the Color Stay eyeliner pencil, it will bring it up to $29.97. Then using this 6 off 2 and also this $2.50 off 1, from the 5/7 savings set, and also a 4 off of 20 Revlon CRT. And everybody's supposed to receive a $5 instant CRT today. If you still have your $4 from last week, that's if you printed that one out, because it's supposed to expire on the 13th. And if your store also accepts expired CRT 1 to 2 days, that will bring it down to $8.47. Then you get $8 back, making all 3 items just 47 cents. The next day will be on the Tresemme hair care. It's on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. It's also priced at $7.29 at my store. That means one will be full price and the second one will be half. 2 of them will come up to $10.94. Using the 4 off 2 paper coupon, or you can use the one in our app, it will bring it down to $6.94. Then after getting the $4 back, both items will be $2.94 or $1.47 each. If you like Persil detergent, this will be a good deal for you. It's on sale for $6.99, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. Picking up 2 will bring it up to $13.98, and we have a $2 coupon in 5/7 savings set. You can use 2 of them. That will bring it down to $9.98. Then you get $2 back, making both items $7.98 or $3.99 each. Ensure it's on a buy 2, get $5 back, limit of 1. Picking up the ones priced at $11.49 will total $22.98. And if you signed up on their website, they randomly send coupons to your email. And normally they send $3. And I'm sure we have $3 in our account as well. Using 2 of those $3 will bring it down to $16.98. And getting back the $5 will make both items $11.98 or $5.99. If you have any nutritional CRT, this will be a good time to use it. Another easy deal to grab will be the General Mills cereal. It's on sale for 2 for $5, and we have a 1 off 2 coupon in our app. Using the coupon, it will make both items $4 or $2 each. This concludes my video, and I would like to say thank you all for watching. Don't forget to check back to see what I actually picked up. Have a nice day.